Yeah, it's not the worst chocolate I've ever had. I just think that it's not the high quality that I'm used to. Like, high quality drugstore chocolate. It's just the filling was a little mealy. Hi, Adro Eats, just doing a quick unboxing. I ordered some chocolate in spirit of Valentine's Day. And one of them just came. I've never had this before. It's called Fran's. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This card is in there. It's like the order. My name's on it and stuff. It says what it is. And it says enjoy. And it just says about Fran'sChocolates. Fran Bigelow. Wonder if she's the same as Bigelow Tea. This is from Seattle, Washington. This is what it looks like. Oh, okay, that's wrapped around the box. I barely know what I got. I kind of just ordered whatever looked like it was okay, and I ordered it really fast. I think it's the Valentine's Day collection. So, it's knotted. Make sure it's not too hard to get loose. I'm pretty excited to eat these. I just pretty much been eating Vogues for the past forever because it's delicious, and I'm like not wanting to branch out and risk something not being wonderful. But you know, in real life, other things are good too. So a little card. So I just really don't want to be one of those people that is limited. I think this is like what's inside of the box, but it's only 20, so there must be tiny. Yeah, all of these are in there. Oh my god, oh my god, there's no way. Whoop. Well, let's open it and see. Try not to rip it. I'm more of a rip into things and destroy them kind of person, but I'll try not to be a savage. It is a lot, and they are small. They smell okay. My feelings right now is that they're pretty packed in there. Presentation is pretty squished. Excuse me. Excuse me. He doesn't even like chocolate. I see like a flower, maybe lavender on one, and I see a gold leaf on one, but it's not very much. Like, it's very minimal decorations. I really like how Vogue's has a lot of decorations. I'm trying to push the cat back. He's very, very rude. Okay, so I'm rude, so William's fixing his schedule. I'm just gonna go ahead and eat one of these for you guys. My cat's the worst. I'm gonna try this one. It looks like it's got some salt on it, and it smells like dark chocolate. Let me see if I can find it in the description. It is the gray salt, excuse me, gray salt caramel. Gray salt caramel? It says soft butter caramel dipped in dark chocolate and sprinkled with gray salt, certified fair trade and organic. William's gonna come and have one, I think. Molly, do you want one?
No, thanks.
Let's get one out for William. Not for Achilles. Cats don't eat chocolate. Alright, so you can have it. Yes. Cat! I'm gonna edit you out. You're not the star. Alright, well, my first impression of the packaging here is that it's a very, very, very small piece. And then, best way to eat these is always to lick the topping. It does have that taste that the lower chocolate boxes get. So I immediately don't know if the quality is that high. Yeah, I'm giving that, I mean, if Vogue's is a 10. This costs the same as Vogue, so it's expensive. If Vogue's is a 10, that is a 4. It tastes like drugstore candy. I don't like it.
I would have given it a 5 or a 6.
Bye.
Friends, I need your help. Tell me what you'd like to see in Adro Eats' next video. What do you want me to eat? What do you want me to do? Tell me in the comments below and then subscribe so you can see me do it.